Hello, welcome to this video on how to get top grades at CSEC Mathematics. Many students need help with mathematics. They are struggling to grasp the concepts, principles, and acquire the skill at solving math problems. Many students are being left behind because of the lockdown, the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, and they are struggling to catch up. As you know, the COVID-19 lockdown prevents schools from reopening, and therefore students are struggling to get in-person teaching. It's very unlikely that the schools will be reopened soon. So parents are concerned and worried about missing out on the opportunities that could be available for their child to improve their performance in mathematics. That's one of the reasons why we created this digital interactive PDF so that your child can practice in the comfort and convenience of your home. It's interactive. These worksheets are interactive and present multiple choice questions that are structured the same way. They have the same style that comes in the exam. So your child will have the opportunity to practice quite a lot. It's clickable and fillable. Now it's interactive. What do we mean by interactive? For example, this page here shows the contents of what you will be doing. When you click on the heading, it takes you directly to that section. Digital learning, multiple choice skills check, and your child can scroll through. Now it's dynamic, it's interactive, it's multimedia e-learning. So your child has the opportunity to practice in the convenience and comfort of your home. When your child sees an image on your screen, they can click on that image, click on the image, and it will take you to my YouTube channel that explains through videos, interactive videos, the different techniques and tools that are available, flashcards, for example, problem-solving techniques, and much, much more. Now, to go back to the beginning of that section, your child merely has to, let me see, scroll through the document. And to get back to the beginning of that section, the content page, you click on the image. When you see this image, you click on it. It takes you back to the beginning of the page with the contents. So let's say you want to practice some quizzes on consumer arithmetic. You click on that, and it takes you to the consumer arithmetic page, and your child can practice on the quizzes. When he or she clicks on this image, it will take you to my YouTube channel, and you'll be able to watch a video giving you an analysis of Guyanese students' performance for the year 2018 in mathematics. So it's very interactive. For example, here's an example of a quiz. Your child will start the clock and set the time, and look at the question. A boy spent 20% of his money on books and 20% of the remainder on food. If he had $2,000 left, how much money did he have at first? Now your child will have the opportunity of responding to this multiple choice question by choosing one of four options. Let's say he or she chooses the D option, clicks on the button, and that radio button shows him that he has selected this, and he continues on to the next question, reads the question, thinks about it, and makes a choice. Let's say he or she chooses that, and so to go through the entire quiz, and at the end of the quiz you get your answers. So let's see. Then there's a section on algebra expressions and equations. And we've created these interactive images. When you click on it, it will take you to a YouTube channel, and you'll see further explanations of the concepts, principles, and techniques that are available. And what's equally important, on my YouTube channel, you have videos. When you click on these images, you'll see, you'll be able to watch videos explaining some of the concepts and principles that are covered in this multiple choice question. Here we have another example. This time the quiz is on algebra expressions and equations. Your child can choose answer and so on, whichever one, and then submit that. Now at the end of the exercise, your child will be able to once your child has gone through the quiz, for example, they finished the quiz, okay, so they want to get the answers. The answers will be on the last page. Here are the answers to the quiz. And your child has the opportunity of going through the quiz again and checking which one they got right, which one, for example, if they got that right, they'll take that off. If they got that right, they'll take that off, and so on, so that they'll know which ones they got right and which ones they got wrong, and they can clear all their responses by clicking the reset button, which will clear all answers and all entries in the document, and they can start brand new with a fresh brand new page, in the sense that all answers, all the responses have been cleared, and they can do the quiz any number of times. Now compare that with the paper-based version of a quiz like similar to this. Once you've done it, the paper-based quiz, that's it. You'll have to erase all the answers again, take your eraser and so on, and it's a waste of time. It's very frustrating and it's very boring. With this interactive digital format, your child has the freedom and the ability to do the quiz any number of times. When you click on this image, it will take you to a YouTube video that shows you the animation of this image, this word cloud. It's a word cloud, the shape of a headshot, displaying some key terms in math. You click on the image and you'll learn more about that. Enjoy.